So getting ready for Yoga Nidra. Making sure that you are warm and comfortable. Laying on your back, the spine is in alignment. Head is in alignment. The legs are apart so the thighs aren't touching. You allow the feet to flop to the sides. The arms are away from the body just a little bit with the palms upward in a symbol and a gesture of receiving this goodness of this psychic sleep where the body rests deeply in the head. Let all the tiny muscles around the eyes soften. The eyelids relax over the eyeballs. Lick the lips, have them slightly apart, and swallow to release any tension in the throat. Finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, the wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, the shoulder, armpit, right side of the chest, the waist, hip, thigh, knee, lower leg and ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, the right toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awareness of the whole right side of the body, the whole right side of the body. Go to the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand and the wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, left